here we have what is supposed to be a 5-serving George Foreman grill. It's got the removable nonstick plates, but the one thing you can see is the size of this machine. When you open it up, the plates only like this big actually, so you can only fit 2 frozen burger patties on here. The trays pop out, they're removable, so you can clean them, and that works really well. They clean super easy. My kids have left things cooked on here and they spray right off. I used it really easily. It does have a tray down here, which is put away right this second, but and it catches the grease pretty well. I used it without getting anything back in here. However, you know, you let the kids use it the first time and they had grease everywhere, all down in these hinges, all over the counter. But what I will say is that these hinges are made so they do not collect grease. If you look on the back side here, it does funnel the grease down, which ends up all over the counter, but it does not gunk up your appliance. So I just wanted to show you a size comparison to know that this hinge and this back part of this that keeps it weighted right, and heated, you know, it takes up a lot of space, so the surface area you get is not nearly the same size as the product. But overall, I really do love this thing. I wish it came in a slightly bigger size.